Hi, this is John Patterson with Charter One Realty. It's another beautiful spring day here in Bluffton, South Carolina, and we're here doing a virtual open house at 50 Ocoee, which is located at the Haven and New Riverside, a Del Webb community. A beautiful home with great curb appeal, but something that really sets it apart is this great courtyard out front. What a beautiful entrance statement. You'll notice exterior of the home is all hardy plank. Some great detail with the shakes. Let's go inside and take a closer look at the house. Welcome to 50 Ocoee. This is the highly sought after Martin Ray model here at the Haven. And as you can see, it's a great open floor plan. Light and bright. Great home for entertaining. And you can see all the way back to these beautiful views of the fenced in backyard and the lagoon. Some details in this gorgeous kitchen. We've got underlights under the cabinets, subway tile backsplash, beautiful window over the sink. Got a 5-burner gas stove with a hood above it. And again, plenty of storage, all stainless steel appliances. Moving on to the Butler's pantry. Great space, again, some additional storage just across. Walk-in pantry, and moving through to the front room, which they're using as a sunroom. And this could be used for an office space or a den, however you want to set this up. Walking back through the kitchen, you get tons of storage under this huge island. And something neat about the island is it's going to double as an eat-in kitchen. You got plenty of space here for 4 chairs on the other side. On the way back to the master suite, we passed the laundry room. It's a nice sized laundry room, some good storage. Back to the master suite. Look how bright it is in here. Got beautiful views out to the back porch area, out to the lagoon. Lots of room in here. Master bath, walk-in shower. Heading back into the guest bedroom. Great space. Plenty of room for your guests. They've done such a great job with the decorations in here. It has kind of a coastal theme. Just off the guest bedroom is the guest bath. Bath and shower combination. Beautiful granite countertops. Nice big mirror. Tile floor. Let's head outside and take a look at this great back patio. Screen-in porch, beautiful views. current owner spent a lot of time out here enjoying the low country with family and friends. Just off the screen porch is this great patio out here. They've made some nice additions with the brick pavers. And some place to come out and enjoy the view of this beautiful lagoon. Mature landscaping. Hey, thanks for joining us today for our virtual open house here at 50 Ocoee. If you have any questions about this home or would like additional information, leave comments or questions below, or reach out to me on my cell phone at 843-368-7710, or go to homesbluffton.com.